I started Better Job Fit. I was working for a global pharmaceutical company. I actually created my own job back then. I had a unique differentiator. I could sell a $500,000 laser. I could train the doctors on how to use it and perform surgery, and then actually teach them how to make money at it. So why do we still continue to use a resume and an interview to determine job match and success? Right? So we've been taking AI that's been around for 30 plus years, and we're using it for the greater good for the person who's being affected the most. What's really interesting is nonprofits are the first ones to say, oh, we don't have any resources, right? You know, we depend on people to donate money, right? That's it. Well, what are you giving back to the people that donate, right? We've created a system that is holistic. We brought nonprofits, for-profits, financial institutions, academia, venture capital, and community foundation organizations all under one roof. We brought them in for 4 hours, and within 45 minutes, we had Thrivent Financial institution was speaking to a church that had a community project that they were trying to fund, and literally funded a $5 million project.